Welcome back to Mael's Luxury Auto, the 2025 Ford F-150 vintage pickup truck. It's not a factory model, but rather a custom offering by Beechmont Ford Performance BFP that captures the spirit of F-150s from the late 1970s and 1980s while preserving all the modern bells and whistles you'd expect in a current F-150. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the vintage commands attention. Its exterior is a dazzling display of polished chrome. Bumpers, grille, door handles, bed rack, running boards, and badging all shine like automotive jewelry, invoking the silver screen appeal of classic trucks. The truck rests atop polished aluminum Pro Comp wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and perched above it is a beaming row of KC Daylighter, smiley face, lights, nostalgic accents that proudly broadcast its throwback aesthetic. Completing the retro vibe is a distinct two-tone paint job that wouldn't look out of place cruising down a 1980s boulevard. A 3-inch lift adds presence, improves clearance, and reinforces its blend of form and function. Under the hood, buyers can choose between two formidable power plants. The standard option is Ford's revered 5.0L Coyote V8, offering about 395 to 400 horsepower and a muscular growl that seems tailor-made for the chrome and color styling. For those seeking even more thunder, the BFP Retro 700 includes a Ford Performance Whipple supercharged version of the Coyote, cranking out around 700 horsepower. The thunderous soundtrack of either engine choice comes amplified by a cat-back exhaust from MBRP or Roush, depending on customer preference. The magic of this package goes beyond merely stripping away the modern to embrace the classic. Inside, the truck retains the modern F-150's comforts, advanced infotainment systems, climate control, safe seating, and driver assist features remain intact. It's a nostalgic exterior with every 21st century convenience unaltered. That fusion makes it a standout for enthusiasts who want the golden age's look without sacrificing today's usability and safety. Cost-wise, the BFP Retro F-150 is offered in two tiers. The 400 horsepower version adds approximately $12,995 to the price of a base F-150, resulting in an average completed cost of around $75,110. Choose the supercharged 700 horsepower variant, and the package climbs to $26,395, bringing the total to roughly $87,210, though final pricing varies based on the donor truck and customization options chosen. Beyond those numbers, the build quality is worth noting. BFP performs the enhancements on site, ensuring a seamless integration of retro elements and modern hardware. This high craftsmanship makes the finished vehicle look factory original rather than aftermarket. Despite the significant modifications, the factory warranty remains untouched, and BFP even backs the vinyl wrap, exhaust, and light bar with their own separate warranties. What truly resonates about the vintage concept is that it invites you to relive truck culture's nostalgic soul without regressing on performance or safety. It's a bridge between eras. Outside, an homage to the past; inside, resolutely modern. To provide context on how well-rounded the base 2025 F-150 has become, consider some of its enhanced features and capabilities. The latest model brings a refresh, including sleeker styling, improved grille design, sharper LED lighting, and smarter cabin storage, including the multifunction tailgate that features integrated steps and cleats for easier access. Inside, it's all about connectivity and comfort. A 12-inch infotainment touchscreen paired with Ford's Sync 4 system gives intuitive control, while wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB ports, wireless charging, and optional premium audio from Bang & Olufsen round out the tech suite. Safety catches up too. Standard driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree cameras are joined by advanced systems like Pro Trailer Backup Assist and evasive steering support, ensuring both capability and security. For those who crave even more innovation, advanced options take things further. Drivers can opt for BlueCruise hands-free highway driving, a head-up display, secure digital instrument clusters, and Ford Company Pilot 360 system enhancements. And under the hood, the F-150 lineup delivers some serious muscle. From fuel-efficient PowerBoost Hybrid, classic 5.0L V8, high-output EcoBoost V6, to a supercharged 5.2L V8 that powers the Raptor R with an eye-watering 720 horsepower. Towing capacity stretches up to 13,500 pounds in the right configuration, with payloads exceeding 2,400 pounds. Even so, the vintage distinguishes itself by translating that performance into emotive design. It doesn't just haul, it fronts its own personality. If trucks of the 70s and 80s embodied working-class swagger, the BFP F-150 Retro revives that vibe with today's refinement. That said, even modern pickups can come with caveats. Ford has faced a series of recalls in 2025, including a major one affecting over 355,000 F-Series trucks due to defective instrument panel displays that may fail to show critical driving information. Over-the-air updates are being pushed to many affected vehicles, while others must be serviced at dealerships. Despite these issues, the BFP Retro is built on a modern F-150 that benefits from continual safety improvements. In summary, the 2025 Ford F-150 Vintage, the BFP Retro, is more than a clever restoration of automotive nostalgia. It's a full-throttle blend of heritage styling, contemporary performance, and high-level craftsmanship. Whether you're drawn to its chrome-laden craft, the power of its V8 options, or the purity of a modern truck beneath a retro shell, there's no denying its appeal. If you're combining a love for classic looks with modern tech, the vintage F-150 is your time-traveling machine. Let me know if you'd like a deeper dive into the donor truck's trim options, the cost breakdown by features, or comparisons with other custom retro trucks.